Hello, we're doing a couple more videos here on rearranging algebraic equations and making different things a subject. Now this is a little bit of a tricky looking one, but actually the process is the same method we see all the time, and that's what Tassomai is about really, is helping you rehearse methods that you can apply in other places, although of course this will help you get the answer to the next question, so watch carefully. Alright, so we've got this equation. This is the equation for the volume of a cone, and what we're going to do is make h the subject, and in a minute we'll also make R the subject. They start the same way. So step one, obviously, just check you read it correctly. And the next thing to do is, by my recommendation, always make it so the thing you're targeting is on the left. Literally swap the equation around. So let's say we're going for H. We'll go 1/3 pi R squared H equals V. So just swapping to make your subject on the left. Now we're going to get rid of any adding or subtracting terms. There aren't any, so that's not a step. And the next is getting rid of multiplying and dividing terms. So we've got this third here. I'm going to multiply by 3 first of all. Pi r squared h equals 3 times v. So we've divided by a third, if you like, or multiplied by 3. It means the same thing. Now, if we're making h the subject, dead simple, all this other junk that we don't want, we're going to divide away. So we're going to get h equals 3v over pi r squared, sorry. And we've got our equation, h equals 3v over pi r squared. So we've got, check you've read it, put your subject target on the left, so we swap it around, then times by 3 and divide by pi r squared, and you've got your answer. Now, if we want to make r the subject, it's the same up to this point, but we're going to go to another stage. Okay, so we've got pi r squared h equals 3v. Now we want to make r the subject, so we're going to divide by pi and h, and we're going to get r squared equals 3v over pi h. All right, that's still not done. We've now got to get rid of the squared, so this is like an extra step. You just square root. R equals 3v over pi h, all square rooted. And you've done that one as well. So very similar methods. This same method applies over and over again to make your target the subject. Hope that was helpful. Thanks very much for watching.